Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are staying safe. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back to our first lesson, Tamils around the world. And today let's learn about the Tamils in Mauritius. Mauritius is an island nation situated at the southeast coast of the African continent. The islands of Mauritius forms part of the Mascarene Island. France was the first country to strive for the development of Mauritius during the early years. French brought many Indians to this island in 1729 AD as they were skilled workers. Many Tamils were brought from in and around Puducherry in 1731 AD. Generally, slaves who lived here were mere laborers, but the Tamils went there as skilled laborers and artisans. The Tamils helped the French to make this island a suitable place to live and to construct many buildings. During the Napoleonic War, the Britishers seized the Mauritius. In 1968, they got freedom from the Britishers. It is the parliamentary republic form of government. Mauritius got its name in the honor of Prince Maurice van Nassau. Nearly 55,000 Tamils are living in Mauritius. Tamils play a key role in the development of this nation. Most of the ministers and judges were Tamils. In few schools, Tamil language is taught as a subject. Recently, Tamil Nadu government has come forward for the upliftment of Tamil education at Mauritius. This postal museum is a beautiful rock building of the 19th century and it is classified as historic monument. The building is in Port Louis and it was built by Tamils. And next important thing to be noticed is that Tamil letters are imprinted in the currency of Mauritius. That's it about Mauritius. And next let's move on to Reunion. Reunion is an island located in the Indian Ocean near Mauritius. It is a part of the French Overseas Department. The French brought Tamils to this island from Puducherry and Karaikal. In the early days, Tamils worked in tea and sugarcane plantations. Tamils were more than 1/4 of the total population of this island. There are no differences among Tamils based on caste and religion. Still, many Tamils work in the agriculture sector. The educated Tamils also hold high positions in both government and private offices. The magical Angkor Wat remains one of the most famous mountain temple. King Suryavarman II began its 30-year construction in the 12th century. That's it, my dear students. Hope you all understood. And let me check your understanding level by posing few questions. Are you all ready? Yes. Which was the first country to strive for the development of Mauritius?
France.
MashaAllah, good job. And second, where is Reunion located?
Reunion is located in the Indian Ocean near Mauritius.
Well done, children. Let's move on to the next one. What is the name of the rock building present in Port Louis?
It's Postal Museum, ma'am.
Fabulous. Excellent, my dears. Kindly check your assignment in the Google Classroom and send it back on time. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.